Here we are going to solve this equation to find the x value. The equation is 8 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equal to 130. This 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3 whole power x plus 2 to the power of x equal to 130. Formula that a to the power of m whole power n equal to a to the power of m into n equal to a to the power of n whole power m. So 2 to the power of x whole power 3 plus 2 to the power x equal to 130. 2 power x whole power 3 plus 2 power x minus 130 equal to 0. Now let us consider y equal to 2 to the power of x. Y power 3 plus y minus 130 equal to 0. This 130 can be written as 26 times of 5. Y equal to 26y minus 25y. So there is one y from here. Y to the power of 3. This one y can be written as this 20 minus 25y plus 26y minus 130 equal to 0. Taking y common, y square minus 25, 26 common, 26y minus 26 times of 5 is 130. So here is 5 equal to 0. Now y equal to y square 5 square, this 25 can be 5 square plus 26 y minus 5 equal to 0. Formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b, y a plus y plus b times y minus 5 plus 26 y minus 5 equal to, here we have y minus 5, y minus 5, we are taking that common. Y minus 5 open bracket y plus 5 plus 26 equal to 0. We have is y minus 5 is one equation. Here y square plus 5y plus 26 equal to 0. Y minus 5 equal to 0. Y square plus 5y plus 26 equal to 0. This y equal to 5. This is the value of y. A equal to 1, b equal to 5, c equal to 26. Y square minus 4, 1, 26. So 25, 104. Here minus 79 is not a real number. No real root. So we are taking y equal to 5, 2x equal to y. So 2x equal to 5. Apply log on both sides. Log 2 to the power of x equal to log 5. Log m power p equal to p log m. So x log 2 equal to log 5. So divide log 2 on both sides. X log 2 by log 2 equal to log 5 by log 2. This log 2 cancel. So log 5 equal by log 2. You know the formula that log a by log b equal to log a base b. So x equal to log 5 base 2. Another method to find the x value is 2 to the power of x equal to 5. Take a log on both sides. Log on both sides. Log 2 to the power of x equal to log 5. Here we are applying base 5. Here also base 5. Log 2 base 5 to the power of x equal to, and the log is common, so it is 1 over log m power p equal to p log m. X log 2 base 5 equal to 1. So x equal to 1 by log 2 base 5. X equal to, just interchange this so that it will become here log 5 base 2. This is the x value to check. 8 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equal to 130. 8 to the power of log 5 base 2 plus 2 to the power of log 5 base 2 equal to 130. Now log 5 base 2, the value is 2.32. 8 to the power of 2.32 plus 2 power 2.32 equal to 130. Now this value is 125.018 plus 5.00 equal to 130. Now 130 equal to 130. LHS equal to RHS. Let's prove.